Do you want to know how to make salmon? Fast, tasty, and easy, and very nutritious for your family dinner? Come and join the adventure today. Bonjour. Welcome to my channel. My name is Charles. My channel is about food that improves quality of life, saving time, saving money, and good for your health. Today we're preparing an easy pan-seared pecan-crusted salmon. So the ingredient you need is, first thing, salmon, of course. You know, you're gonna need pecan, 2 types of oil. Also, you can use one if you wanted to. You can use olive oil, and you can use grapeseed blend. You can have pepper and salt. That's simple. So you need to check if you can feel the bones. Usually they're already taken out. So mine has skins already. You can cook it with skin if you wanted to, but I just don't like to do that. So I'm going to take the skin off. And so it's a little tricky to do that. You cut a little insertion right here. And then slowly, you don't want to waste too much fish. So I'm going to take the pepper out for a minute. Since you have the skin right here, you really want to go underneath that skin. Make it flat, if you can. Let's see, I do miss some skin, but it's okay. And you kind of want to pull it out. What you want to do, you kind of want to see where you're going with that. So you really want to make that knife as flat as you can. And pull. So I did waste a little bit here, but worst case, we're going to fry this. We can fry that skin too. And we're going to take that other skin right here off. We'll go slow. There it is. The skin should be off. So you might need to rinse it out to take all the skin off. And you really want to feel it, you don't miss. Uh-oh, see that? You can even feel one bone right here. Right there. Not a major deal, but there's a bone right here. So, and there you are. So today we'll put a pecan in a mixer. So what we're gonna do is put about a cup, maybe a full cup. It won't be like a paste, something can absorb and just be part of the salmon. That's one. Let's see, I think maybe we might need a little bit more because we do both sides also. So it's kind of fine right here. I'm going to put this in a little bowl and then I'll show you. I put the rest of the nuts in here and to add some more crust, and then we're going to turn it on. I'm going to take it out. I need a little bit more, but okay. You might need to have maybe a fork or there it is. I don't know if you want to do that, but just maybe a spoon or something. There we go. And now we're gonna cut our salmon proportional about here, 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 here. So we're going to put some oil, we're going to put some grapeseed oil. because it doesn't burn. I mean, doesn't burn in very high temperature, which is nice. And we're going to put on a little bit of oil for the test. So there we are. Yeah. And I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. There. About a quarter of a cup or something. And we're going to warm it up. Turn the pan on high. And then we should do this right after. So now we're going to take our salmon. We have the crusted right here. Pecan. So now we're going to bury it. We're going to put pressure on it. We're going to make sure it's there with it. See that? So this is like crusted right there. So that's a piece right here. Next one. See that? It has to be really all the way. Totally cover. Every part has to be covered. There. The next one. Oh, I need some more pickle. It has to be really everywhere. On the side, on top, on the bottom, absorbing even the oil. There. So now we have them all ready. We're going to move it there to be fried. And we're going to first salt it in a little paper there. So we're going to just put a little salt, which is pink salt. Just a little bit, not a lot. And a little black pepper. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of nice flavor with it. There we go. We're moving right here. Like this. And we're gonna put them very slowly into this little fry pan. So you see it's smoking already, so slow. Just be careful, don't get burned. And we're going to turn them over. You might need a different pan for that. See how crunchy this is? It cooks extremely fast. So just for a minute, and then we're going to put it back in the pan to finish it in the oven. Or if you wait a little bit longer, you can also have it in the pan, but so you do want the salmon to be slightly pink inside, you know, not always cooked all the way. I'm going to finish this in the oven. It shouldn't take very long. And then we'll come back to you. So the last step we're going to do is put it in the oven for maybe like 5 minutes to make sure it's warm, because we'll let it rest a little bit, because we kind of want it to be absorbing the oil from the walnut. So now we're going to put it in the oven for about 5 minutes. And then we'll just get our timer. Well, while it's actually finishing cooking in the oven, is we are doing brown rice right here. Very easy, quick fix, just, you know, for healthy, you know, rice for your family this evening. So we're gonna put it in the microwave, and then we're gonna have brown rice and that beautiful salmon with pecan. So now we're gonna take the rice out. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. And we have a small bowl right here. We can mold the rice. So now, let's see all that steam. You can see that brown rice right here. It's just get nice and compact. Take your plate, upside down. There we go. So we're gonna take our salmon and we're gonna taste it and open it the way, cut it to see if it's cooked. So now we're about to take the salmon. We'll just cook that for about 5 minutes to finish it out. So, ooh, hot, hot, hot. Look at that, still sizzling, you could see it. So, we're gonna take one. Let's see, I may need a different, wow, that's perfect. Look at that. I'm gonna take a knife or fork. Open it. Nice, look at that. Still a little pink and a little bit pink inside, perfect. Let's take a bite. Oh. Wow, it's just good. You might want to add more salt also, but you can use pretty much any nut you want, walnut, pine nuts, almonds. Oh, this is terrific. Well, have a good dinner. I'm gonna have my dinner right here ready. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to check the like button, and please share my video so everybody else can also see the video. Thank you so much.